Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you love adventure, I definitely want to recommend checking out this Sea to Summit eVac dry sack. So my husband and I recently went camping and we were in some pretty extreme conditions on and off of a canoe type boat for a week. And this bag was so amazing. So first of all, it just stored so much stuff. We had all of our clothes that we needed for the week in the bag. We also put our rain boots and some extra gear. So it held a lot and we really didn't have to worry about any of our stuff getting wet all week, even though we were on and off of the boat. So it just worked out awesome for us. The clothes is super cool. It's easy to use. It gives you a little bit of compression and it keeps your stuff dry. So overall, this was just awesome for us. And if you are an adventurer as well, I think you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.